Welcome to another episode of Geocaching with Komikino. And not the kid. Kid's still in school. It's the last day of school for her here. And then it's going to be Christmas break tomorrow. And then we can go out and do lots of caching, which she probably won't do because she wants to hang out with friends instead. But that's a different story. So anyway, it's Friday, December 20th. I've got the day off. Saved my day off here for a nice caching day. And as you can see, it's raining like crazy. It's crappy. It's terrible. But it's the Pacific Northwest. What are you going to do about it? To make today's caching day more exciting and fun, I'm teaming up with Falconer Swarlos.
Hey, I'm new in the zoo.
That's right. We're going to go up to the Oso area, do some caching up there around Arlington. We've got 26 caches all printed out, listed up, ready to go. We've got the list downloaded on our phones. We're going to go out here and just have some caching fun, right?
Right.
There's no script. So anyway, join us here as we go caching on a day off in the rain. Pacific Northwest style. Because that's all it does. Lucky for me, there's a cache nearby, so I'm going to run out, grab it, sign that puppy, and head on out. First thing we're going to do here is get ourselves a virtual cache because I need a virtual cache and an earth cache here. It's for our monthly variety challenge. And we're going to get to this spot out here. Where are we? Is this Marysville? What is this, Marysville?
Yes.
Marysville. We're in Marysville. So we're going to get this virtual cache and then continue on out to Oso. And of course we got a train going by, so that's going to make audio crappy. Anyway, we're at an opera house here in Marysville. This virtual is going to be real easy to do. All you have to do is post a picture of yourself in front of it and answer a question on a plaque that's on this side of the building. Real easy, real simple to do.
Even I can do it.
That means you can do it too.
Good buddy, Komikino, he is here with his own camera, and I've got my
I'm
own
filming
camera.
you, filming me.
Oh my God,
it's a paradox.
Hurts.
Now there's a cache right across the street, so I figured since we're here, might as well grab it. Yay! This weather sucks. Did you find it? Did you find it for me? What are you doing to that? What are you doing? Gosh. Did you bite dinner first at least?
No. I'm kind of mean like that.
Punk. Now this cache isn't on the list of 26 that we have printed up and on our list of caches for the day, but I figure find is a find. It's all about the numbers. No, I'm just joking. It's all about the locations, places you go, and the people you meet, and the muggles that are staring at you from across the street as you film this stuff.
Yeah.
Help me. We're out here at the first location and weather still sucks. We're out here along the river, find some more caches out here, and an earth cache, and weather stinks. Rain's still coming down hard. I'm gonna get under this thing. And check out this river. This river is fierce. Look at all this water that's coming down through here from the rain that we've had here recently. This is a river you don't want to get stuck in. Did you find it?
I think so. Let me take a look. Pretty obvious sign right here.
Yeah, I mean, and also there's like all these rocks. And the last thing I want to do is do some geocaching along a rock wall, a slippery rock wall, when the river is that fierce and nasty. You don't want to fall in that. Yo!
And victory!
Yes! Got it!
N.
Komikino.
Falconer 1220, we out.
Whoop. There we go. Oh, I'm recording too, so.
Oh boy. Boo.
Oops.
We'll have to do a sensor beep on that one.
Yeah.
Oh well. Record. Okay. This geocacher. Or just be a good cacher.
Yeah. Okay, I've got to explain something here. In the next portion of the video that comes up, because it was raining so hard when we got to the Oso landslide area, the rain kind of ruined the audio to my video camera. Let me explain. As you can see here, the microphone is on the top of the camera. It was raining so hard, and I didn't have anything put over the camera to keep the rain off of it. Water built up on the microphone there and has muffled pretty much all of the audio from here on out to the end of this video. So it's going to be kind of hard to understand and hear what's being said and everything because of all the rainwater that built up on the microphone there and ruined everything. So I do apologize for that. I just wanted to explain what was going on here because as you watch it, it's going to get pretty bad and it gets better at the end after some of the rainwater evaporates and everything. But yeah, it's I do apologize. So back to the video. Okay, we're out here for an earth cache, and this is kind of a sad one because was it March 24th? March 22nd, 2014. There was a landslide, mudslide, came down from back there. You can see where it came down, rushed down, came across the river that we just filmed a little bit ago, and killed 43 people. Big news for the area here. I remember hearing about it on the radio, and I want to take a look at it. It just seemed so surreal that hillside like that just come down and kill 43 people like that. It took them a long time to find the bodies of everyone that unfortunately perished on that day. So there's an earth cache here. We got to get some information, get our pictures, that type of a thing. There's 43 trees here, planted for each of the victims of the landslide. So then we have Christmas ornaments on because the Christmas season on it. It's just, I don't know what to say. It's really sad. Low on a day like this? Lies. The rain is coming down a lot stronger and harder now. It's just nasty. Might have to resort to using the GoPro here if it keeps up like this, because I don't want to get my main camera wet. But as always, I like to go cache with people so they can find the cache for me. Thanks, dude. What's in the bag? What's in the bag?
It's bam!
Official geocache. Awesome.
Yay.
We're heading back into civilization. We're trying to get these caches because this weather sucks. But it's like the cache in the Pacific Northwest from like October until April. No, that's not how you work an umbrella, man. You're not supposed to catch the rain.
Got it.
Seriously.
Repel.
Oh, there you.
Okay, there we go.
It's like you've never.
I can work an umbrella.
It's like you've never been in Washington before.
No, I haven't.
I can't hear a word you're saying. Just sign the log. Let's get out of here. It's nasty. Go to the helicopter landing pad.
To the chopper.
I've never stood or been on a helicopter landing pad before. Here we are. I'm on a helicopter landing pad. It's kind of like I'm on a boat, but it's a helicopter landing pad. This whole building here is so creepy. I want to go inside and run around in there, but it's got no trespassing signs up. And good God, good grief, dude. That is deep. Thank you. This is so nasty out here. Oh my God, dude. How deep is that? Like, oh gosh. So, is it pointing here? Please tell me this is it. And yes, to the caching in the Northwest crew, I do look for caches too. Sometimes.
We do.
Sometimes it has been known to happen. It has been known to happen. Good thing you brought those boots, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh, right here.
Wow! I knew exactly where to go, but I couldn't get to it because I didn't have nice waiters like you. Yay!
Hey, let's go caching. It'll be fun, he said.
But did you die? Did you die while?
Okay. Are you talking? Oh my God.
See? Wow. And I appreciate you helping me find these caches. See, okay, caching in the Northwest Crew. We were looking on the other end, and I was like, let's come down here and check this in. So I knew where to look for it. But I had to use him to find it. So, yeah, it's kind of 50-50 almost sometimes. But hey, we're finding them, and we're having fun. That's all that matters. Are you having fun?
I'm having F-U-N. Fun.
You can't spell fun without F-U.
This is ridiculous. What have you gotten me into?
About 6 inches of water.
Alrighty.
Little lunch break here. Got some pretty good finds here for the day so far. Going to eat a Cosmic Crisp apple. See what all the hoopla is about.
Is it out of this world, Rich?
It's not bad.
Not bad.
I don't know what all the rave is about, but yeah, it's not bad. I'd eat another one because I got one at home.
Okay. Do not remove. But I'm removing it, Rich.
Okay, we've been doing some caching around here. Had to use the GoPro and just take some pictures there, as you saw. Rain has calmed down now, finally. Now this next cache here is a little bit of a challenge because they want to see how long it's going to take you to find the cache. So we gotta time ourselves here. Falconer, can you do that?
I certainly can. I'm ready and ready to go.
Okay, let's do this here on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh, son of a biscuit.
Okay. Boom.
Stop the time. Oh,
We have to get back to the car.
back to the car.
Yes, we have to get back to the Geomobile.
Oh man. Run.
Stop. Okay.
How long did it take us?
35.36 seconds. And then if we took over 60 seconds, and
We'd have to
more
turn in
than
our
50 finds,
geocaching cards.
we have to turn in our geocaching cards, or at least have a corner cut off. So we're compliant.
Or resort to like playing Ingress or something like that. So anyway, we did good.
Yay!
Yay.
Go team!
Okay, we're doing pretty good here so far. It's like 3 o'clock. We've got 17 finds, some of which you've already had. I've got one, but we found some drinks. We've been kind of trading off. So out of the 26 on the list, 17 are cleared. Never to go for 18, but who knows if we'll find it or not. They're a tough audience. Nice. Way to go, Butterfingers. Sometimes when you're out getting your B-roll shots, make sure you don't drop and lose the cat.
Tell Ma I love her. I'm so sorry I did some time. Oh, there's an escape route.
gone out to find an earth cache only to find out that it's been flooded and you can't see it anymore? Well, we have. There's supposed to be a glacial erratic out here in the middle of the river. Now, being that it's rained so hard over the past couple of days, this water level is pretty high. It's supposed to be like right out there, and you can see the rock. You should be able to see the rock, which is like, I don't know, like maybe 6 feet tall or so. The rock's underwater, so we can't tell like how big it is or guesstimate how big it is because it's underwater. So we're still going to log it. We're going to still send them the pictures to let them know, hey, at least we came out, we tried. But would you try that? Would you do that as a cacher? Would you still log it, or would you try and you'll come back at a later time and so you can actually answer everything and give them the requirements that's needed to log the thing? It's there. Trust me. Okay, we've got 19 caches here so far, so not a bad run here for what we've been doing, and unfortunately because of the weather conditions. Had 26 planned, 19 here. We're going to get one more, kick us up to 20, and we saved a pretty good one here for the last one, so we're going to go check it out. Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
We're at the last cache of the day here. We saved Travel Bug Hotel here because Carlos is doing the right thing, dropping off travel bugs at a great location, the Travel Bug Hotel. And look, see the mailboxes too. All right, let's get this thing popped open, get them bugs dropped off.
Nice and roomy.
Yay!
Lightning McQueen.
Hi, Lightning.
Bye, sir. This one is hop skip. So he's a hop skip and a jump away. And then these are my own that I'm releasing. And Rudolph, show them away, okay, buddy?
So if you find trackables and geo coins and travel bugs, do the right thing of dropping them off at a safe location so they can hopefully continue their journey. All right, thanks for showing me this cache. Let's go. Okay. Out of 26 caches there, Carlos, we got 20. Not bad. We had to skip a few of them because they were in sketchy areas and I just didn't feel safe. We found some cool earth caches, got a virtual cache, so I got 2 things found for my monthly variety challenge for December. So December's looking great to be filled out finally. It was great teaming up with him. We had a great time out caching, running around, and hating the weather, right?
Pretty much.
So what did you like? What did you have fun with?
I had fun splashing my boots in the mud puddles.
Yeah, it was like caching with a 12-year-old. Pretty much. Anyway, thanks for joining us here on this caching day off that we had. If you have a day off, make sure you go out and do some caching. Go out and have some fun. Maybe take a friend along that hasn't cached. Or maybe team up with somebody who is a cacher and just go out and enjoy the time together. And with that said, cache on! Wow, you made it this far? That's amazing. Thank you for watching this whole thing. Now, it's contest time. So for this contest, here's what you gotta do. You've gotta watch through the video and email me and let me know how many different hats I wore in that video. That's right. You might have seen me with different scenes with different hats on. How many hats did I wear? Not how many times I changed hats, because some hats I wore a couple times. Again, how many different hats did I wear? What's your prize out of this? Easy. What you will get as a prize is a caricature drawing of you. That's right. It'll be one caricature drawing for you. I can draw it in this Adventure Time style that I've used before for a lot of my videos here, like this one here of my wife and R2-D2 from her prior Star Wars video. And, well, you know, the kid in me in that style, like that. And here's a caricature I drew of Carlos, the guy who I went caching with in this video. Kind of drew a manga animation style of him, as well as his Lego persona of himself out caching. Now, what I can also do in this picture I'm going to draw for you, give it some basic color. So I'll add a little bit of color to it, and also save it as a PNG format with a transparent background. This way, you can use it as an overlay for your videos if you're a geocaching vlogger. If you win, go ahead and let me know which style you would like, and I can go ahead and draw that for you. Now, here's the thing. This video is going to be posted on January 17th, 18th. The deadline to let me know how many hats I wore, January 31st. Let me know on the 31st. And then I'll have the drawing around 2nd, 3rd of February to let you know if you won or not. So what you want to do, send me an email with the subject line, hats, in the body of the message. Let me know how many hats I wore. Send that email to komikino@gmail.com. Now for the prize, again, it's going to be for just a caricature of you, one person. If there's multiple people in your party, your geocaching spouse, your friend, kids, whatever, and you want them also, well, we can go ahead and talk about that, because that's going to cost money. But this is going to be for just one caricature drawing of you. So go ahead, get back to the beginning of the video, start watching, and make a tally of how many different hats I wore. And let me know, and hopefully you will be a winner. Thanks for watching.